Alright, what up YouTube? Today we're going to be doing the fiberglass on this. We're getting close to finishing this bike. So I got it all taped up. I got plastic all over it. We're just going to start laying strips. Let me show you what we're using. So we're using some fiberglass resin, some hardener, and then just sheets of fiberglass we're going to cut into strips. Alright, let's get started. Okay, I cut this piece. I'm going to do the sides like this. On both sides, I'm going to put these ones down first. So let's do it. Okay. Let's keep going. There's one. Alright. There's the sides. We're just going to keep doing that strip after strip. Let's keep going. Let's get some resin on it. Okay. Get the resin in it. Lay another one down, and we're just going to keep doing this. We'll just keep stacking them. Just like that. See how I'm just like a strip. I'm gonna keep doing that. I'll come back after we get a lot of it covered. Okay, we got a few coats. I got a few layers of fiberglass on there. What we're gonna do is just let it dry for a day, and then we'll come back and we'll sand it. Sand all these little stringies off, and then we're gonna put Bondo on this whole thing. Alright, so let's let it dry. So what we're going to do is mark out a rough area where we want to cut it. And just like that, we're going to do that on both sides, and then I'm going to come around the bottom. So let's mark it up as best we can. All right, let's do a rough cut. All right, we're gonna trim along these lines right here. And the rest of that, we can sand out with the sander. We'll smooth it out, put some Bondo on it. Now we got a rough shape. So if you look at where I cut it right here, I left room for us to sand so we can bring it up to the bar, the actual frame bar, and we'll make this line right here meet with this piece under here. So we need to sand this whole thing down, and then we'll be ready for Bondo. All right, next step. Okay, I cut this inner piece of fiberglass. I'm gonna lay one on that side, and then I'm gonna lay one on this side to strengthen up this outer edge. Mix it up. 10 drops per ounce. That way that edge will be nice and thick and strong. Now flip it over. Stick this one in. Just like that. We'll do the same thing we just did. Now we'll let that dry, and then we'll sand the whole thing. Time for Bondo after that. So stick with us. We almost got the cowl done. There she is.